right. What do you see? Why would checking your left mirror here be a good shout as well? So we're moving off to the right.
Because someone could just run around the corner then.
Honestly, no. Just take it out of gear a little second, mate.
Yes, I am.
So we're on a left-hand bend.
Yeah.
We're not parked on a bend, so we're going to cause massive issues to people. People can still see far enough to get around us. But which is going to give you the best view of the road far behind us?
That one.
The left
one. I get ya. Because I can see more of the
round the corner to the left mirror. So the left mirror is honestly sometimes needed to do a move off to the right. You have to look at your situation around you and then drive accordingly. Does that make sense, mate?
Yeah.
Go on then, off we go. So, yeah, I'd be checking all of them, and now I'd probably keep an eye on this one and the left one, as well as the right one, as we move off. Perfect, mate. No one coming? No one coming ahead as well?
No.
Good job. Next left, please, mate.